Hello friends, welcome to the channel Chemistry Raghuveer. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the solid chemistry. In solid chemistry we are going to learn now about unit cell formula. For knowing this unit cell formula we need to know some important components of a unit cell or a cube. Now here a cube, what it looks like. Now here I am showing in the form of an object. See, now let us try to understand what are the important components of a unit cell. What are the important components? It consists of faces as well as edges and corners and a body center. Now I am trying to locate you these faces, edges, corners and body center. Now I am representing here the at first edges. So edge centers now I am showing you. So these are nothing but edge, and here where I am locating, these are all are edge centers. Fine. So totally how many edge centers we can identify for a cube? Totally 12 edge centers we can identify, as well corners. So corners I am representing with the green sketch so that you can differentiate. Now here the corners will be totally of 8. And then coming to the face centers. Now generally you see here for this object cube, so how many faces you can observe? Now this what you are observing is top one, is it? And for this bottom also, it is also a face, and towards this sidewards to either sides and to these sides. So totally how many faces it has? 6 faces. So I also write here there are totally 6 faces. And how many edge centers? There are 12 edge centers. And how many corners it has? Totally 8 corners. And then there will be only one body center. Where that body center will be located? Inside this cube. Inside, at the middle of the cube, there will be one body center. Now for calculating this unit cell formula, we have to know what are its contributions. So first, the very important thing we need to know is about their contributions. How a face will contribute to a cube, as well edge, corner and body center. Now try to observe here. Now look, these are the two cubes. Now let us suppose there is a sphere or an atom is located on the face center. I hope you are following here. This is the place where the atom is present. Now inside the face, so in the middle of the face, so how does it look from this view? So here is a atom which is located at the face center. Now what is its contribution then? So when atom is present at the face center, half of the part of the face center atom is in one cube and the other half is present in the other cube. So therefore its contribution is half. The face center contribution is half. Now let us see about their edges. Now if we consider this edge, and also a atom is present at this edge center, is it? Now there are two more atoms above these two atoms, or two cubes. There are two more cubes above this. I hope you are following. These are the edges I am locating here. These are the edges of the two cubes, and here at the edge center this spherical shape atom is present, and this, and also in a crystal there will be many such cubes aligned as this. So this atom is being shared by the 4 other cubes. So that means each spherical atom is shared by 4 cubes. So therefore each contribution of the atom edges is 1 by 4. Now let's suppose if an atom is present at the corner. What are the corners? So these are the corners, right? So there are how many, these are the corners, right? So how many corners are there? Totally 8 corners. So now if you observe here, if the atom is present at the corner, so it is shared by how many? It is shared by 4 cubes. Not only here the 4 cubes are present, the other 4 cubes will be arranged above here. I hope you are following. The cubes will be arranged not only at the down, so there will be a upper layer where the cubes will be arranged like this. So 4 more cubes will be above this. So each spherical atom at the corner is shared by how many cubes? Here down 4 and upside layer 4. So totally the contribution of each atom at the corner is 1 by 8. And the body center atom, so the body center atom will be present exactly in the middle of the, or at the center of the body, is it? So it is not shared by any other cube, so therefore its contribution is 1. So this is how the contributions of each of the component of a unit cell. Now let's try to calculate the formula of a unit cell. So calculating formula of unit cell. Now let us understand. Let the faces be designated as A and edges be designated as B, likewise corners C and body center with D. Now how many A face centers are there? Totally 6, and the contribution of each face center is half. So totally what will be the result? So it will be equals to 3. Likewise edges, so edges are designated with B. How many edges are there? Totally 12 edges, and the contribution of each edge is how much? 1 by 4, and this will be equals to also 3. Next comes to the corner. How many corners are there? Totally 8 corners designated with a green sketch. So contribution of each corner is 1 by 8, therefore it will be equals to 1. How many body centers are present? Only one body center, and its contribution equals to 1, so it will be also equals to 1, is it? Now this is pertaining to A and this pertains to B and C and D. So finally the formula of a unit cell will be A3, B3, C, C1, D1. Otherwise we can also say that A3, B3, C, D. Now I am posing you 2 questions, so please make a note of these 2 questions and try out and give your answers in the comment box. The solutions for these questions will be available in the next video. However, the link is available now on the screen. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.